So back on this. What I've done now is I've butchered both wings and removed the remains of it off this bit, and that showed I need to actually go a bit deeper into the repair up here because that's all quite nasty, and so's that. So yeah, actually I need to do that before I fit the front belly pan. So reinforced the wings so this doesn't flop about, and so it retains its correct position. So now I'm going to repair that bit quickly and then dummy fit that for the 1000th time. Well, everything's clamped on. Tested that everything lines up, just I've dummied this piece of cut off, onto there, and it all looks perfect. I haven't done the same to the other side. So a cup of tea and a hobnob, and then weldy weld. So I chopped the wing off instead of mucking around, because I mean, yeah, there are good bits of that one, but it's mostly, well, destroyed. But this second-hand replacement fits perfectly. Obviously, it's just dummy fitted on for now because I need to repair the inner arch, because that's quite nasty. But it's all doable, and yeah, go from there. So plan is now take this off again and get repairing. And also, whilst it's off, I'm going to get the paint off of this inner arch because it's a nice opportunity. But I will score a line where that's supposed to actually, yeah, in that case I'll probably leave that little bit of paint there just so I know exactly where the wing needs to go back on. Obviously I'll dummy fit the bonnet before I put it on finally. But yeah, it's looking good. Right, so that's the wing dummied on properly. It all lines up very well. So now we just need to put this bit in. I've already cut a panel out down there already and weld that in. Ah, we're getting there. So that's another chunk done. The wing's just clamped on for now, just to, well, it looks nice. And so I can see where I need to trim on this, because it just needs a little bit taking off around there. And yeah, that's all done. You may have noticed some holes in there, which I've now repaired from both sides. Just grind those welds down, put some primer on it all. At some point I need to get on and get the rest of that underseal off and bare metal it all. But yeah, it's nearly there. And then next task is to sand that wing down to bare metal, weld a lip in down there because I had to cut it off, sand this down wherever I can get to it whilst the wing's off, and do that, and then move on to the next side, and then do the drive shaft on the other side as well. So that's another chunk. Until next time.